gotta say it.
So chill.
She can get a taste.
You know these artists love
She can get a taste.
like it.
What's up, you guys? So this is gonna be a vlog at the fair, and I'm gonna just basically take you guys around. I'll put clips of like the rides that I've been on, but man, you guys need to be out at the fair, man. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video or this vlog. Share it with your friends and your family, you know, like just live your life. You get what I'm saying? Like, yeah, subscribe, people, subscribe. Guys, right now I think I'm gonna head on this ride right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's different types of rides. I'm literally out here by myself, and like, you know, sometimes you just gotta get away from things. But I hope you guys really like this vlog and, like, you know, see my personality and things like that. So yeah, just make sure to keep watching, guys. I don't really know what to say, but I'm gonna just put like clips of me just screaming because it's gonna be fun. Y'all just look around. Like, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but yeah, see you guys later. I don't know what the thumbnail is gonna be about, but let me see. I don't know. Yo, I don't know what the thumbnail is gonna look like, but I hope you guys like this vlog and subscribe. You guys, the ride is about to start, and I hope you guys love my video and, you know, see my personality on here. He's about to press start, so watch me scream. Honestly, this ride is a little kid ride, so it shouldn't be that bad. But yeah, you guys, one thing about me, I've loved like going to fairs, like fun things, like fun activities. I enjoy stuff like this. Like, if I had like a +1, like I would literally do this with someone. Like, this is actually my first time going to a fair by myself, and I just love screaming because I get scared in the moment, but it's like, obviously nothing's gonna happen, you know. Gotta be positive about it. So yeah, people on the ride, you know what I'm saying? I should just make this like a vlog for my YouTube channel, because, you know, why not like put some content out there, you know? So yeah, guys, they're about to turn on the machine right now, so wish me luck. Wish me luck, guys, for real. Yo, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I'm gonna try to make this vlog a little like long for y'all. You guys, I hope I don't get like flagged on my YouTube channel for screaming because I scream a lot, and like I'm so scared. I just want to come out here and have fun. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yo, this ride is getting faster. Oh, heck no. Yo, this ride. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even move. The gravity's so hard. You guys, this ride, it's called the Hurricane, and man, that thing took me out. Y'all better please subscribe, because y'all are getting really, really good energy right now. Y'all, it smells so good out here. I'm literally about to get on that ride right now. Like, it's crazy. Yo, I'm about to get on right now. Yo, these seats are tiny. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, I was not expecting this ride up here to be good. Oh my god. Guys, I just kind of want to show you guys like what's around here and stuff. They got a lot of fun activities here. It's so fun. Y'all, it is completely dark in here. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's completely dark in here. And I'm by myself. I think this is like a monster one. Oh, heck no. Y'all, it stops. And I'm in here by myself. Oh, heck no. Oh my gosh, guys, help me. Sorry for the scream. Oh my god. I cannot see anything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. You guys, I'm about to get on bumper cars and I can't even drive. I can't even drive and I'm getting on bumper cars. Let's see how this works. Let's see, y'all. I don't even know how to drive for real, and I'm over here about to drive. There's no brakes, so it's automatic. Press the gas. Do not be like me. Do not drive and record. Do not drive and record. Do not. Y'all move out the way. Yo! I don't drive for real. This is my first time driving. Oh my god. Woo! Y'all. I can't drive. Oh my goodness. Bumper cars, y'all. Bumper cars. You guys, this is so fun. My first time driving ever in my life. Guys, y'all remember this? But they have it in Fort Lauderdale. Oh my goodness. I'm about to get on. Oh my god, y'all. I'm about to get on. I'm literally about to get on. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Y'all, I remember this ride like yesterday. Crazy. You guys, I'm trying to vlog every ride, but it's so hard when I'm screaming and I can't even hold my phone. But yeah, this is so fun. Yo, I'm literally out here just vibing, chilling by myself. Alright, you guys, I'm the only one in this chair. I mean, there's people in the front, but... Guys, we're going backwards. We're going backwards. Oh no. Oh no. You guys, this smells so good. Like, I want to eat. Not today. Ooh. Guys, I am so excited. It's about to spin. Y'all, I am nervous. Oh my god. Yo, this is hurting my back. feel my neck. I can't feel my neck. You guys, rule number 1, never ever come to the fair with your phone gonna die. That's just one thing that you guys should not do. But right now, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video. I think I might go on like 1 or 2 rides, some more, probably like 2 more rides, and that's it. So I'm gonna just edit this video, and thank you guys for subscribing, liking, and commenting on the video. I'm gonna try to give you guys more content. I haven't uploaded in like what, 2 or 3 weeks now, I think. So yeah, all right guys. You guys, so this is probably my last ride because I think I went on everything. Actually, I think I could try one more, I'm not sure, but I believe this one is my last ride. But thank you guys for subscribing and leaving a comment. Well, I don't think you can comment, but share everything. I love you guys. Guys, I lied. I think this one's the last ride I'm gonna get on, and that's it, because I went on basically every ride that I was able to get on. So you guys, I keep thinking that this is the last ride, but it's not. I think I got one more officially, and then I'm over the fair. I'm literally doing things by myself right now. Y'all know that sailboat that goes all the way around like this? I couldn't even record it. I felt like I was coming out my seat. Get on this one. They got so much different rides, bro. Y'all, I'm about to hit more rides. Yo, this is so fun going out by myself now. Like, I'm not even scared no more. Yo, it's lit out here, bro. It's about to spin. Yo, it's about to spin. Y'all, all I see is people, couples. And I'm over here at the fair by myself, about to be high up on this swing. Guys, I'm about to go on this one right now. Y'all, I was not expecting that little baby ride right there to be super fun. Yo, that thing took me out. Oh my god! This is so fun! Y'all, I just went on this ride behind me. Yo, that thing dropped.